Megan with WTI, and this is my new Fykee cordless vacuum. I wanted a small cordless vacuum just to do lightweight jobs in between deep cleanings, and I really found this vacuum to be effective for that purpose. The vacuum itself has multiple height adjustments to it. It's telescopic, it's very lightweight and easy to push. I wouldn't say it's for heavy duty jobs, but it's definitely great for little cleanup jobs throughout the week. It's easy to just grab and spot clean whenever you need to. It works really well for me on our vinyl floors. We also have a low pile carpet in the living room, and it does work well with that also. I find the attachments that it comes with so easy to interchange. It's even easy to empty the filter when it's full into the garbage can, just with the click of a button. I haven't had an issue with the battery power. I haven't really kept track of how long it lasts because it's never actually died on me in the middle of a cleaning. I tend to plug it in though as soon as I'm finished using it, so I'm usually always using it at a full charge. I love this little guy for all the little touch-up jobs I do throughout the week to keep my home neat and tidy. And that's my point of view.